Está lloviendo, hay que ir al gimnasio, tener disciplina. Entonces, pues, para allá voy. Regreso y tengo la presentación de lo de las casas impresas en 3D. Y de ahí tengo que trabajar en lo de las medallas en blockchain. Voy a empezar a grabar mi camino a crear un artículo en Wikipedia. Voy a hacer, para una materia tengo esta tarea de crear un artículo o de editar alguno ya existente. Entonces, bueno, lo primero, bueno, voy a empezar a grabar acá. Good evening, Professor Kikaro, and everybody that kindly connected to listen our presentation. In behalf of our team, Caroline and I, Umberto, are very happy to present you the Affordable Housing Challenge. Next, please. Next slide, please. There are 5 stages of how we approach this challenge. It all begins by understanding its magnitude, taking a second step towards understanding its actual context, where we stepped in with a proposed solution. Next, we dove in this solution potential to present you its value proposition, where we are offering you the assessment of the available business opportunity. And finally, the acknowledge of those required changes to be adopted for truly making it happen. Next, please. The affordable housing is indeed a wicked problem, which only with a few hours of research and brainstorming we found out a knot of causes where each is simultaneously a unique and multidimensional symptom of another. Even if there is no clear definition on what is affordable housing, we approach it through looking at the European specific context, encompassing policy, practice, and shelter intertwined with 3 main properties. Affordability, meaning price versus income, accessibility, meaning available offer, and quality, meaning square meters, related maintenance cost, access to services, among other concepts. All this within an environmentally sound, economically viable, and socially inclusive frame. That is what we conceptualize as affordable housing. Now, even if the wicked problem is an impossible knot, we looked for those main challenges that could trigger the biggest virtuous effect, alleviating in a way other root causes. Gladly, we found out 3 main challenges across our research. These are availability of housing is low, with prices growing faster than income, then wrong housing policies causing segregating the poor from the rest, and the last challenge is housing supply as an incomplete and failed market, which does not take in consideration those people demanding a house but not being able to pay the market price. Next, please. With this context, one will ask, what is the current landscape of commercial solutions? Well, we found out that prefabricated modular houses are a 40 years old consolidated technology with more than 350 companies just in the USA. This approach has many advantages where speed is the king, meaning that more buildings in less time can increase housing supplies quickly, moderating effects on rents. And because of the materials used, mainly timber, the price of each house is basically lower than those from traditional construction. Nonetheless, there are key disadvantages where some business opportunities had started to build upon, such as transmission of the design information to the actual manufacturing has severe errors. That is why manufacturers avoid producing customized orders. And regarding materials, timber has an extremely low fire resistance, as well as low insulation and heat retaining properties. These reasons have given a step to already commercially available 3D printed houses, such as the ones found in the Netherlands, which use concrete and other mix of materials to provide high fire resistance, greater quality on insulation, and heat preservation properties. All that with a speed of construction superior to even prefabricated houses, having times of 1 day per house. Therefore, what we propose for covering this market and societal need as solution is one solution composed of 3 pillars. The first one is a digital platform that leverages open innovation from architects and engineers competing to offer great quality designs. The second is the use of 3D printing for supplying housing demand. And the third is a public-private partnership model where a percentage is sold to the government with favorable arrangements, and the remaining to private individuals, which lower cost and great combination of quality and innovative design makes the houses an attractive source of investment. Next, please. Pasen bonita noche.